What's up, y'all? It's Keelan. Today, we're going to be talking about how to resolve conflict in a calm and productive way. Now, picture it. You are living on your own, meeting people from all over the world, and navigating total freedom. It's amazing. But let's be real. Putting 2 or 3 strangers in a room the size of a walk-in closet is a recipe for conflict. Whether it's a roommate who leaves dirty dishes for a week, a group project member who disappears, or a misunderstanding with a friend, disagreement is going to happen. Your secret isn't avoiding it. The secret is handling it like a pro. Here are 3 easy steps to resolve conflict without the drama. Step 1. Never try to solve a conflict when your heart is racing. When we are angry, our brain enters into fight or flight mode. If you send a passive-aggressive text or confront someone right then, you are letting your emotions drive. Take a 20-minute timeout, rock around, or listen to music. Lower your shoulders and take 3 deep breaths. Pick the right medium. Never resolve a real conflict over text. Texting strips away tone, makes people defensive, and leaves a permanent paper trail of your worst moments. Do it face-to-face or over a quick call. Step 2. When you finally sit down to talk, how you start matters. If you start with the word you, the other person immediately builds a defensive wall. Phrases like you always or you never are rarely true and always causes fights. Instead, use I statements. Instead of saying you are so loud at night, try I feel stressed when the TV is on past 11 because I can't sleep before my 8 a.m. chemistry class. Step 3, finally, listen to understand, not to reply. Do not just wait for your turn to speak. Put your phone down, listen to their side, and paraphrase it back to them. Say, so what I'm hearing is that you study best with music on, right? Once people feel heard, the defense mechanism drops. Remember, it is never you versus them. It is you and them versus the problem. Work as a team, talk it out early, and if you ever get stuck, staff members are always there to help. These are tips to help you have a great year. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.